we're going to be making our own classic planner printable. So we're going to get into Canva and we're going to go click create a design. From there, we're going to create a custom dimensions design. So I'm going to be doing 7 by 9.25 and we're going to be doing inches. So you can just change that on the side. We're then going to click create design and it's going to take us to a new tab. Open up that new tab. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to say Untiled Design. It's going to say 7 inches by 9.25 inches. It's going to be just a blank page to begin with. From there, we're going to start creating our own designs using just the different Canva mediums. So we've got photos, elements, which is all your sort of sticker items and frames for pictures. Got your text. We won't worry about music and videos, but we're also going to look at sort of changing the background color. You can then look at your own personal uploads, and if you've got the paid version of Canva, you can look at your own folders. I do not, so we're going to be working with the basics. To begin with, you can look through the templates, they can help you out. For this moment, we're just going to be making the one I made before, which was for the London theme, the London calling theme. So I'm just going to type in here, London calling theme classic. That way you're able to find it later on. Now I'm going to look at my own upload. So this is all the images that I have. I'm just going to simply drag and drop across once I find the London one I like. So it's just going to automatically, if you drag it on, it will cover the whole screen. Otherwise, if you just click on it, it will come up as an image. So you can just delete that from there. From there, I want to have a hero text. So I've just clicked that and it just comes up. A 130, the text color, and I'm going to make it red. Then just going to drag it up to scale to be where I want it to be. And I want it so the red can be seen. So we're just popping it there. If you find that it's still a little bit difficult to see the text with the image, you can just adjust it at the top. So we're just going to go clicking on the image on the right hand corner. We're doing transparency. We're just going to bring that down so it's a bit more faded. I want it to kind of blend in with the bus, so I'm going to go and just edit that a little bit more. So new colors, we're just going to bring it down a little bit so it's a bit more of a dark red and it matches the bus. I'm then just going to do a subtext. Follow your journey. It can literally be anything you want. I'm just going to change up the font, so I'm just going to do it to another one of my favorites, which is the basketball. And then I'm just going to make it smaller. So I want it to be the size of more of the calling. I just clicked away. So it's just like that. If you want to make it extra fancy, you're more than welcome to get lines. To add lines, I just go to elements and then type in line. I'm just going to click it on there. I'm going to change the color so it matches either the black or the red. So it's kind of a bit of trial and error. You might do the black. I'm going to make it smaller in size. So I'm just going to resize it in. And then I'm just going to drag it so when it goes across. So I'm just going to bring it up a little bit because I like when it overlaps. From there, I'm just going to I'm using the arrow key to shift up and move up. Image. If you find, I just want it so it doesn't overlap with the G, but it's still fairly intact. So make sure that your text is all as one. You can always group it. So I've just dragged over all of them and I'm just going to do group. And that's just so I know how does it look if I try putting it in the very center of the page. Do I prefer that or do I prefer putting it up a little bit? I personally prefer a little bit up. And then from there, you're able to hit this download button. And you can do it as, I like to do it as PDF print and just download. It's then going to download it into your downloads or if you have a specific folder, and then you can just look it up from there. And that's how you make a classic happy planner divider page with some simple text and a simple image. Thanks for watching.